So how do you add contacts to the Zoom app on your iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, you make sure you have your Zoom app ready. Make sure you're signed in. You get inside, and on the left panel, we have like the home section, a team chat, and so on. So you're gonna tap on the contacts, which is one of the buttons right here, and you can see some of them if they are available already. But you have the ability to tap on the plus button right above it, right? And you can like create a new channel or invite a new contact. But I want you to tap on create an iPhone contact, right? And this will allow you to just add one to the Zoom, right? And it will also have the ability to save it to the iPhone contacts application. I mean, the iPad, right? In our case. But the point is that before this happens, you'll probably need to give the app access to access your contacts. So you will need to tap on allow. If you didn't do this, you need to find the settings app, tap on apps at the bottom and choose the Zoom application right here and make sure to allow the contacts access, right? You can choose the limited access or create a full access for the app, right? And that's how you can add it in here. Like you can create a brand new one for Zoom only. Or you can also, or you should be able to access your Zoom contacts in here if you have any of them saved in your main contacts app. In my case, I do not, so I don't really see anything in here. But, obviously, if you would save some of the other information, like the URLs and like the different connection types, then you would be able to see it in here, right? But essentially, you can also just create it right there and save it within the Zoom application, right? So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments if you actually managed to make it work or add a new contacts to your Zoom. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.